Landowners and farmers from the area came together for an important symposium.
Fox 14's Blas Guerrero has more on how the event is providing essential tools and resources to better protect against future wildfires.
Gray County Extension hosted a wildfire and rangeland management symposium designed to equip landowners and producers with tools to prepare and respond to wildfires. Following last year's destructive wildfires, the symposium offered ways to prevent future damage and protect land and livestock.
Putting on a fire and rangeland management symposium, my Ag Committee identified this as a topic of education after the wildfires from last year for some mitigation, not only for producers but landowners as well.
The event featured speakers from Texas Parks and Wildlife, Texas Tech University, as well as State Representative Ken King. Attendees learned about fire mitigation strategies, wildlife management programs, and other important resources to help prevent wildfires and manage their properties.
Not going to prevent all fires. I mean, fires are going to happen. But what we can do is mitigate how big those fires are, try to mitigate how big those fires are.
The symposium also covered wildfire management and fire mitigation methods beyond just prescribed burning, with the goal of providing landowners with new tools.
This is just to get them thinking about it and making sure that everybody's a little bit more prepared. That way, if we have another incident that we had this last late winter, early spring, maybe we can help keep it mitigated a little better.
In Pampa, Blas Guerrero, Fox 14 News.
The Gray County Extension and 4-H will host an ag conference in Pampa on Monday.
The conference provides farmers with a chance to earn educational hours for their private applicator license.